What's up, Motoville Posse? Today I'm be installing these Polisport swing arm protectors. On this left side here, I'm gonna have to be doing a little modifications for that to go on there. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Got some dirt on the surface. I'm gonna clean that off. They got some adhesive. You peel this, it's adhesive on that side, and this is just some cushion so you don't get a lot of rattling around. For the left side, we got to do a little modifications. I put some tape on there so I know where I want to cut out. I'm going to use this Dremel. Let's get that started. Running into some issues. You gotta start from the back, get that connected behind there. So these are still in the way. I gotta trim more so I can slide it up on there. Alright, this turned out pretty good. Put the zip ties on there. And it's pretty bike specific, so wraps around there. It almost looks painted if you seen it from a distance. Or I like it. Let's give it a good cold start. Alright, let's get started on this other side. Gotta clean it up. Got the Vortex in here. Yoshimura. She sounded real good. Start from the back here. Get that clipped in there. Zip ties are going to do the rest of the work. Just putting them in from the bottom seems to work better for me.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it. 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip this, wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip this, wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching the video. I got these Supermoto wheels in here. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting those on soon. For now I'm just doing little odds and ends, building this bike up right now. I got some more parts coming, stay tuned.